Son boss, you know you may come get a bad link, brother. How you go? Pack out suitcase.
You know what I'm saying? Man, you not understand that thing. You know what I'm saying? My landlord come my yard, brother. My landlord come my yard with a big stone from my house. Tell me if that right.
If it's true, and there's something the landlord go on with, I'm the plan to come rent out a house. Brother, put back your suitcase.
Man, put power. Come like I try for this man, you know. See where come like I try for this man, you know. You know, I'm not stay still.
Brother, watch out, look, watch out. Brother, wait for me, I'm not stay here too. Brother, you start with the people. What I want to know if you do for me, you know, go check out my channel, same way, Silver Comedy, you know, we out here, same way I try to do it. And I want to know if you do the same way, check out Sunboss Comedy, boy, I do thing around, you know. What thing, boy, a Japanese channel, just check it out.